Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about methods of set. This is part 2. So in our previous video we have seen all these methods and we have seen their impact. Now let's discuss about the remaining methods. Equals method, which accepts another set as parameter and compares this set with the specified set and returns true if both the sets are equal, otherwise returns false. isEmpty returns true if the set has 0 elements. Remove method actually removes a specific element which is passed as the parameter. removesAll, which accepts a list as parameter, removes the element in the specified list from the set if they are present. removesAll, which accepts a set as parameter, removes the element in the specified set from the original set if they are present. retainAll, which accepts a list as parameter, retains only the elements in this set that are contained in the specified list. retainAll with a set retains only the elements in the original set that are contained in the specified set. Size method returns the number of elements in the set. And toString method returns the string representation of the set. So it's pretty much of talk, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are on our developer console and let's create a program for the set methods. So guys, here's our program. Now in this program I have created a set of string named as employees and I have added hard-coded values to this set itself. Now after that you can see this employee set has been cloned 3 times and I have created 3 cloned sets from the same set. Then after I printed the value of employee set over here and printed the size of employee set with the help of this size method, which will return the number of elements in it, and then converted the employee set to a string by calling the toString method. Here I am also printing the cloned employees1 set, and this set will show you the same value which the employee set is having. Then after I created a list of string known as sales department and added Steve, James and Rahul as elements of this list, and these names are already part of our employee set. I also created a set of string known as IT department and added Brian, Mayank, Rayan and Mitasha, which is already part of our employee set. After that, I removed Amit from the cloned employees1 by calling the remove method. So after that, the cloned employees1, which is having the same element of the employees, will remove Amit from the collection and the remaining elements would be there. Then we call removesAll method on cloned employees itself by passing sales department list. So it will remove these 3 elements also from the same set and then it will print the remaining values. After that I called removesAll with IT department, which is a set. So then it will remove these elements from the cloned employees1 set as well. Now here we are calling the retainAll method. So it's going to retain the values in this list and rest of the values will be deleted. On cloned employees 3, we are retaining all the IT department values. So whatsoever there present in IT department is going to retain there in cloned employees 3 and rest of the employees will be deleted. So now let's see the output of this program. So guys, you can clearly see the value of employee set over here. The set size is 8 and the cloned employees is also having the same value. Now after removing Amit, when we printed the set, it is printing all the values except for Amit. After removing sales department, it removed the content or it removed the element of the sales department and printed the remaining one. And after removing IT department, since all the values are removed, it's printing an empty set. Then when we retained sales department, then the names of sales department is there and rest all the names have been removed. And when we retained IT department, so only values of IT department is present there and rest all are removed. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.